Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance Order Cancellations. Korean Air's bold new livery and Delta's latest moves. Major shifts are happening in the airline industry. Korean Air has cancelled aircraft orders as part of its fleet optimization strategy, signaling a shift towards fuel-efficient models. Meanwhile, the airline has unveiled a sleek new livery, reflecting modernization and innovation. Delta Airlines is making headlines with fleet upgrades, expanded sky clubs, and sustainability initiatives. From route expansions to tech advancements, these updates highlight evolving industry trends. Stay tuned for how these changes will impact global aviation. Korean Air cancels aircraft orders. Korean Air has recently made headlines by canceling some of its aircraft orders with major manufacturers. The decision comes amid a re-evaluation of its fleet modernization strategy, as the airline focuses on optimizing its current operations. Korean Air has been working on reducing its overall fleet size while maintaining a balance of efficiency and sustainability. The cancellations mainly involve aircraft that were previously ordered as part of a larger expansion plan. The airline is expected to shift focus towards more fuel-efficient, environmentally friendly aircraft such as the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and Airbus A350. These cancellations are seen as part of the airline's efforts to streamline its operations and focus on more immediate needs, rather than long-term fleet expansion. Impact on the industry. The cancellations have sparked discussions about the shifting trends in global airline fleets, with many carriers opting to prioritize newer, eco-friendly models over older, less efficient aircraft. This trend reflects the growing demand for sustainability in aviation and the need for airlines to adapt to post-pandemic market conditions. Korean Air's new livery. Korean Air has also unveiled a striking new livery that marks a significant departure from its previous design. The new design is more modern and sleek, reflecting the airline's vision for the future. The livery features a refreshed version of the airline's iconic Han logo, with clean lines and bold colors that give it a contemporary look. The use of blue and silver tones symbolizes Korean Air's commitment to innovation, technology, and the airline's rich heritage in global aviation. Why the change? The new livery is part of Korean Air's broader branding strategy to appeal to a younger, more tech-savvy audience while maintaining its position as a leader in international aviation. The refreshed design also aligns with the airline's recent focus on improving customer experience and sustainability, as the new livery is featured on aircraft that are among the most energy efficient in their fleet. Reception. The reception to the new livery has been largely positive, with many aviation enthusiasts praising the clean, modern design. The shift in branding also ties into Korean Air's push for innovation, as it signals their intention to remain competitive and contemporary in the evolving airline industry. Delta Airlines' latest news. Delta Airlines continues to make headlines with various updates and developments in its operations. Fleet modernization. Delta has been actively modernizing its fleet, with recent deliveries of new aircraft such as the Airbus A321neo and the Boeing 737 MAX. These aircraft are part of Delta's efforts to enhance fuel efficiency and reduce its environmental impact. The airline has committed to achieving net zero emissions by 2050 and is investing heavily in new, more sustainable aircraft to help meet that goal. Sky Club upgrades. Delta is also focusing on improving its passenger experience, particularly with its Sky Clubs. The airline has announced plans to expand and enhance its lounge network, offering more spacious and modern facilities to cater to the growing demand for premium services. These upgrades are part of Delta's strategy to provide a more seamless, luxurious experience for its frequent flyers, including amenities such as expanded seating, enhanced food and beverage options, and state-of-the-art technology. Delta's route expansion. Delta has also made significant strides in expanding its route network, with new flights to popular destinations in Europe, Asia, and the Americas. The airline's international route network continues to grow, and it remains a dominant player in both domestic and international markets. Delta's strong commitment to customer service and innovative offerings has allowed it to remain one of the most popular airlines in the world, even in the face of intense competition. Employee relations. Delta Airlines has been focusing on improving its relationship with employees, offering higher wages, better benefits, and more opportunities for professional development. This is part of a broader trend in the airline industry, where many carriers are seeking to attract and retain talent after experiencing staff shortages and labor unrest in recent years. Sustainability initiatives. Delta has also ramped up its sustainability initiatives, with the airline taking steps to reduce its carbon footprint. The company has invested in sustainable aviation fuel, SAF, and has partnered with several organizations to research new green technologies. Delta's ongoing commitment to sustainability is also reflected in its operations, where it continues to focus on reducing waste and increasing recycling efforts. Challenges. Like many airlines, Delta has faced challenges due to global supply chain disruptions and staffing shortages, leading to delays and cancellations. However, the airline has continued to adapt by improving its operational efficiency and utilizing technology to better manage flight schedules. Delta's ongoing investments in technology. Delta has also been investing heavily in technology to enhance customer experience. Recent initiatives include improvements in its mobile app, which allows passengers to access real-time flight information, in-flight services, and personalized offers. Additionally, Delta has integrated AI and machine learning into its operations to better predict flight delays and streamline scheduling. Partnerships and alliances. Delta has maintained strong partnerships with international airlines, particularly within the SkyTeam Alliance. This has enabled Delta to offer a wider range of destinations and services to its passengers. The alliance has been instrumental in Delta's continued success, particularly as the airline continues to focus on offering global connectivity. In summary, Korean Air's fleet cancellations and new livery, along with Delta's ongoing modernization efforts, represent significant trends in the aviation industry. Both airlines are adapting to market changes and placing a greater emphasis on sustainability, innovation, and customer experience. These developments reflect the growing importance of efficiency and environmental responsibility in aviation, setting the stage for future advancements in the industry. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.